Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is this really nice rat-in chair. This thing is super comfortable and it is great for your patio. So this was sent over by a company called Varmoza, and it is absolutely very, very comfortable, as I said. So first off, very easy to put together. It's going to take you about 30 minutes to assemble by yourself. Comes with all the parts and pieces, and also the instructions are very easy to follow. Now, to give you an idea of the overall size of the chair, it is about 27.5 inches in width. It is about 33 3/4 inches in depth, and then the height of it is about 35 3/4 in height. Now, it does fully rock, so if you do like rocking chairs, absolutely great. You can have a nice gentle rock on this thing, which is wonderful. It's very smooth when it comes to gliding. Now, it also rotates 360 degrees, so if you do ever need to like rotate and you have multiples of them and you want to rotate to somebody else to talk to them, you can do that, which is really, really nice. Now, if these are outside and you don't want the cushions to get dirty, they are removable as far as putting them in the garage and whatnot. They're very easy to wash down. They are water resistant. They're also UV resistant. No issues with the color fading. Just the same with the rat-in material itself, which is a nice PVC type material, and it's kind of made to look a little kind of sun weathered here with the different coloring, which I absolutely love, but no issues with it kind of getting brittle or fading as well, which is another nice aspect of the actual material. It's also got a nice contour to your back, so it's very comfortable when you're sitting in it. You can kick back, close your eyes, and relax as well, and enjoy the nice breezes of the summer from your porch or the spring, fall, whatever you want to set this up. Now, as far as the frame itself, it's all made out of a nice powder-coated metal frame, so if you do live in an area that's humid like I do, the rust, you don't have to worry about that because of that powder-coated frame itself. But overall, like I said, if it's a very comfortable chair, if you're in the market and you're looking for some great patio chairs, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.